So there have been like hundreds, if not thousands of earthquakes for the past few days, because the volcano is probably about to erupt. I can feel the earthquakes here, and they're quite hard. It's like a little semi-truck hitting the house every once in a while. But I really want to feel them way up close. I want to feel a large earthquake right under my feet. Okay. So here's the problem. It's way over there, so I can barely feel the earthquakes. So we're gonna have to go there. Ain't that just the prettiest volcano you've ever seen? My goal is to capture the moment an earthquake hits. I'm not really sure how you would actually do that. The news had managed it the day before and they published it on TikTok. That's the sort of moment I would love to capture. So my first stop was Reykjavík, which is the town closest to the epicenter. Not only did I not capture an earthquake there, I didn't even capture the audio. Turns out my mic wasn't recording the whole trip. I was saying something clever about how lying down gives you the best chance of feeling an earthquake. And that might be true, I don't really know. All of a sudden, I felt something stupid. That's what I felt. And that's not to say I'm giving up. I spent about an hour in Reykjavík without feeling any earthquakes. This place is absolutely gorgeous. Not even small ones. I planned to sit down for maybe half an hour to see if I could catch a break and say something clever to the mic that wasn't even recording my hilarious jokes, and I definitely felt something. I could even hear it, but it was just a diesel pump. Somehow that's not a job I knew existed in Iceland, but there you go. I guess we just gotta get close. The actual epicenter is really close by and the drive there is absolutely stunning. And that moment when you drive over the hill just before you see the eruption area is breathtaking. Hey, you wanna stick your car on my dirt road? 1,000 kronas, please. Or $7 or something to park on your shitty dirt road, then you better at least give me a porta potty, okay? I know I barely caught the audio there, but I really needed to get that off my chest. You, Barca. The paths are so much better now than they used to be. Used to be just mud. I guess this is probably mud if it's raining. But there are no rocks, not large ones. These rocks are terrible. So we are pretty much in the epicenter now. The quakes are happening below my feet. And one thing you have to be careful of is falling rocks. It doesn't look like they will knock you in the head from here, at least. Well, that would hurt like hell. Either way, be careful. Be careful. We are about 10 minutes into a walk and the landscape is changing drastically. Look at that. Time to try lying down again. And this time there are no pesky diesel engines watering the plants. Come to think about it, there are no plants. At least there is nobody there to wonder what the is going on, except dog is unsure what the is going on. But he didn't seem to mind. I must have spent at least 45 minutes just lying on the ground trying to feel anything other than stupid. That didn't work. So I sat there for a while, saying more awesome jokes to the mic that wasn't even listening. Finally, I just gave up. At least one of us is happy. I spent a few moments on this unusually beautiful day to capture some drone footage of the area. I guess I was hoping that the earthquake would hit in the meantime, so I left the cameras running. But still, no luck. Okay, so that was undeniably a little bit disappointing. We didn't feel a single earthquake when we were there for like 2 hours. Let's check if there actually was an earthquake while we were here. A big one, I mean. I know there were plenty of small ones. The biggest one was 10 minutes ago. It was 1.8. I probably feel the dog moving around in the car more than I would feel that. Oh well, but this place is absolutely stunning and what a wonderful walk. So you know, there are 2 roads that lead from the airport to all other areas of the country. There is the fast route, and then there is the stunning route. This is the stunning route. Endless seas of mossy lava fields, geothermal parks, mountainsides, one of the most beautiful lakes you will ever see, and winding roads that will kill you if you don't pay attention. I mean, how cool is this road? And this is where we are in danger of fallen rocks. I don't know what to do about that. I guess we're just gonna have to hurry up. I made the whole video about this route, which I suggest you watch after this one. So I didn't actually capture an earthquake on a camera. I couldn't even capture the audio. I hate these things. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. Have a great trip.